everyone, today we're going to be learning about the Pythagorean theorem, but not just with numbers, with something practical, a cardboard ramp. Let's go. So, what is the Pythagorean theorem? It's a special rule in maths that applies to right angle triangles, which means that one of their three angles is a 90-degree angle. It states that in a right angle, the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides is equal to the area of the bigger side, which we call the hypotenuse. So, in this triangle, a square is our base, b square is the height, and c square is the longest side, or the hypotenuse. This theorem is used in construction, navigation, and even in designing things like slides or ramps. Now, you might be wondering, where are the squares in this theorem? Let me show you. If we extend our sides of the triangle, they become squares. Joining all three of them, point to point, we can see that it forms the same triangle. Now we can actually understand the connection. The base a square is 3 inches, the height b square is 4 inches, and both of these added up, the sum is equal to the area of c square. Now we can use our theorem to find out the area of c square, or the hypotenuse. Now we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find out our hypotenuse. The formula is c square equals a square plus b square. Now we can substitute the values, which is 4 and 3. We can convert them to their real number, which is 16 plus 9. The answer we'll get is 25. And now what we have to do is find the square root of 25, which is 5 square. Now we can cancel both the squares and we get c equals to 5. So, according to the theorem, the length of this square should be 5 inches. Let's cross check. There we go. 5 inches. It's absolutely correct. Now we can build our ramp with this. Now that we've figured out the measurements of our squares, let's make a ramp. Let's fold our squares up, join them right here, and put on the tape. There we go. Our cardboard ramp made from the Pythagoras theorem is ready. Time to test it out. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! So, our ramp actually works. It's very cool to see a mathematical concept make something this cool. So, that's it for today. Hope you liked learning about the Pythagoras theorem and our cardboard ramp. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.